Here is my African soup. It's making anchovies. Oh, look at that. And it's very, very spicy, you know. I'm gonna be like a lot of soup. Look at that. Right, so guys, look at my soup. Let's munch, mukbang. Oh my god, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Oh my god. I don't know why. Next day food always tastes so better. Like, it's unbelievably better. Look at the anchovies. You guys need to watch how I prepare this soup. The video is on the channel. Look how delicious this food look like, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and share with multiple people. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.